everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. You ready to get flowy? Take a deep breath in and out. And the arms rise to the sides and float back down. Breathing in and out. Now bend at the elbows, gather in, rest down, or sinking the chi. And in, now take one foot, step it out of my shoulder width, and the arms come out in front of us. And float back down. Or opening the door. Breathing in and out. Now round your arms out like you're giving a big hug. And this hand floats to the top of the chest. This hand follows underneath. Embrace the moon. Cross that moon. Switch your hands and catch it again. Breathing in and out. And give that big hug again, and sink the chi. Now take that moon and lift it up, up, up overhead and tip it to this side. We're tipping the moon. Breathing in and out. And bring it back up to the center and tip to the other side. Breathing in and back up to the center. The arms come out in front of us and sit back like you're sitting in an invisible chair for chair pose. Breathing in and out. And bring it back up, think that moon up overhead, and tip to the side. Bring it back up to center and tip to the other side. back up to center and sit back in that invisible chair. Breathe in and out. And bring it back up and sink the chi. This hand will float up and across, and this hand will follow underneath. And over here, switch the hands and float back across. Waving hands like clouds. Breathe in and out. And over here, bring the fingertips together, make a hook, take a little step in and step out, and this hand comes up and over and back around for single whip. Breathe in and out. And drop the hook and wave hands like clouds. Make your hook over here, take that step in and single whip. And drop the hook and wave hands like clouds. Make your hook over here, take that step in and step out and single whip. And these toes point this way, swing this heel out, straighten the legs, and reach. And bring it back up, and reach just a little bit further. And bring it back up. And this time, reach all the way. It could be here, it could be on the top of your foot, or it could be on the floor. And this hand reaches up towards the ceiling, or triangle pose. And take this arm and make a circle. And make a circle in the other direction. Feel that stretch. Then this front knee and bring it back up. Wave hands like that. Make your hook over here, take that step in and single whip. these toes point this way. Swing this heel out. Straighten the legs and reach. And bring it back. Straighten the legs, but don't lock your knees. Reach just a little bit further. And bring it back. Now reach all the way. And reach towards the ceiling with this hand. And make the circle. And circle in the other direction. Now that nice little stretch. And bring it back up. And right hand to left. Just to center and sink the sheet. Make sure you're in a nice good wide stance and squat down, bring your hands up and over, and let's dig in the ground. And reverse that direction. And now, squat, Vrassanas. One hand will make an arrow, the other hand will pull the bow and bring it down for bow and down. And now this hand will make the arrow, this hand will pull the bow. In and out. And bring it back to center and sink the chin. And cross the wrists in the sand, bring them up, overhead, and close the door. And the arms foot back down to the sides. One foot steps in, two palms together, and a little bow. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. And if you would like more and longer classes, find me on Patreon at patreon.com/CoachJo. And I'll see you next time.